Hello everybody, welcome back to Code Arena. I am Amina and today we are going to learn input tag in HTML. So let's go. Format of input tag. Basically, input tag looks like this. It is similar to the image tag. It does not have the closing tag. It just have the opening tag and it's called self-closing tag. Now, if I write here just input and hit enter, then nothing will happen. We'll be having this type and then inside this type we'll write, let's say, text, and in the placeholder we are having the written text. Like if I'll write enter username, then it will come like this will be the output. And if I write here Amina, so my name will be here. Okay, so not a big deal. Now we'll be understanding this input tag in the code. Let's go. So first of all, we'll comment this out. We'll be talking about input tags. So let's write here input. So we are having this type and it's default text. Okay, and after that we'll be writing here placeholder, and inside it let's write Amina. Okay, and then we'll save it. See, we are having this Amina and we can write here anything like my name is Amina. Okay, it's so simple. Like the placeholder is just for the background. Like if I want to tell you that you need to write your username, and then I will write here enter username. Okay, hopefully you are clear with it. Now the challenge part arrives. This is the challenge for you. It's so simple. You just need to add a button for your practice and you need to just write the same text above and you need to add the input tag. Okay, hopefully you will be clear in it. Now in the input tag we are having several types. So let's say this is the input tag and we are having the type of text. Then it will come, like if I will write something, then it will show it to me. But if I write here password instead of text, but it will just show me that I am writing and password. Work like and website pages like we used to enter password. Now it's time for you to practice. We are having several types. Like if I write date instead of text, then it will show it to me like this. And if I write color, then we'll be having the options of colors. Isn't it great? And we are having the time. If I write here time, then it will show me the time. Okay, so just try this and explore these kind of things for more practice in HTML.